Had enough of your back talk today, Leighton.
Yeah. So, hey, I was not talking about you. I was just meant in general. Like, come on, can you guys
Let me. Yeah. It'll all be over soon.
Choose your courage.
I feel like last time we played this right side, I was over there and I was getting shit on.
Y'all ready? I guess so.
Yeah, man.
You're going down, CJ.
Hey, is there respawn the white wall thing right there?
There's no spawn camp.
Alright.
Aww. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Which of y'all are doing that?
Ain't me. Where you at, Leighton?
To the left of you. I just pushed up a little bit.
Leighton, I'm gonna try to join you and we're gonna support left-hand side. They're flanking. Oh, golly! Somebody's on the other side of this wall!
Yeah, you hit my knee. Yeah, you hit my knee.
Somebody mid, somebody mid.
Oh, no, I can't shoot left-handed.
Fudge me.
I'm already out.
Hate to hear that, Leighton. What the? For real? Hey, I don't think we can shoot through those cracks.
I know. No, you're good.
Where?
The barrels. White bottom, black two tops.
Okay.
It's right there.
Yeah, I see him. That's CJ. Sniper. Oh, it sucks. Good stuff, bro. Yep. It was just one lucky little shot. He just happened to shoot the moment I exited cover. And it was slow. It was like, like, are you kidding?
When I bought all my stuff. Yeah,
Oh, I did not get out there.
Hey, does somebody want to quit playing around on the radio?
I do lots of fishing, so.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm just mad today. I need to relax. I appreciate it, dude, but I'm gonna walk with my buddy.
Oh, shots.
Yeah. Thank you, though.
Yeah, I'll probably go ahead and swap over to M4 now. I gave it a go. I got 1 kill.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's 10 shots, 1 kill. I like how this thing is just so compact.
It is pretty small. Like,
Hey, at least it comes off. That's the important thing.
Hello, Ethan.
Sweet liberty! The blood! New plan, guys. We don't run for the flag and let them win. What do you say?
you're gonna be on YouTube, Jaden.
Yeah.
What do you gotta say?
I just turn my car on and feed a pipe to my room.
Just spray them, they die. They just fall.
That's a joke. Don't actually do that. Anybody listening?
Make money and...
No. Hey, family friendly, man. Family friendly.
If you want, you can drive it. Stuff over here.
You for real, dog?
Yeah, for real, dog.
Yeah. It's fun, dude.
Ethan, he made a saying on a YouTube video. Make money and what?
Live for God.
Yes, sir. For Jerusalem. That was close. How do you mess that up? I deserve somebody just ball up their fist and crack me in the jaw. Gosh, I'm such a stupid idiot.
Look at the weird airsoft guys. No, they're best friends. They've been friends since high school. Hey, am I recording? Back of the truck. Back of the truck.
Oh my gosh! Good stuff, dude. I love that you finger gunned me, bro.
Who can hear me?
Grenade!
I heard it.
Can we do decoy grenades? And throw pine cones at people?
I was thinking about that.
So they just like run out of the building real quick?
Grenade! And then a pine cone falls.
If we all throw the pine cones and then my grenade in there as well, they're all gonna think. Eventually, one of them's gonna go off.
Exactly.
Dad's gonna say, you're gay. Nuh-uh,
You're gay.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
You gonna count it, bro? Bro, don't make me blush mid-battle, bro.
Go have a good angle of that, Ethan. I don't see this guy in the woods.
I don't either.
Mid. Red shirt mid.
You see him in the woods over there, Ethan?
I think I see him. I'm on my last mag.
Uh-oh, that's not good, Ethan.
Yep.
Hit.
Oh, that was clean.
Coming up in the woods, coming up in the woods.
On your 6.
Yeah, he's right at,
Huh?
there's where that wooden pallet is right there. Right there?
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah.
With a silencer.
Yeah.
Dude, you got him.
He called that?
He called that.
Holy shit. Dude, there ain't no way.
I don't think he even hit, I think he just hit the wall and he was like, yeah, that's me. He thought it was him. Oh, you out?
I'm out of rounds.
Okay.
I am approaching. Do not shoot.
CJ. This way?
No, we're gonna run. Right.
Up high? Okay.
Right tower.
Up top. Nice, 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 nice.
How has he not hit me yet?
Oh, I'm sorry. I did not mean to burst it. Change to that. I'm so sorry. Up high. Why is this burst firing? Whew. Sorry, man.
Just to get the guy in the tower.
Dude, you playing some Nautica music, bro? Heck yeah, dude.
Chief, you alive?
Eli! Where's Eli? Eli!
Are you alive?
Yes.
Ask me if I'm alive.
Are you alive?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you a terrorist?
No.
Okay. Me neither.
Maybe.
Oh.
That's how I'm feeling. Alright, so this is Trouble in Terrorist Town. Anybody that played Gmod would know what this is.
I'll be sheriff. I'll be sheriff.
Circle up! Alright, heads down, eyes closed.
Colton's definitely just gonna shoot everybody.
Definitely. Why haven't we shot Colson yet just off the start?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Why haven't we? Just do that already.
Yeah, Colson, we all can agree that you're being annoying.
Okay, Richard, shut up.
It helps the terrorists and innocents.
Do not talk about my authority right there.
Okay, let's go.
You got bullets?
No, I got bullets.
Yeah, I need them. What?
Come on.
Me already?
Yep.
That's flashbacks, bro.
You're not the terrorist? Alrighty then.
Interrogate me.
No, you're too innocent. I'm not wasting my life.
What? As long as you know I'm innocent.
Are you the terrorist?
No. You terrorist?
Huh?
I found the terrorist already.
Yeah. Dang it.
It's the black guy in the ghillie suit. 100%.
For real?
Let's get the sheriff.
Like, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get the sheriff.
Let's get the sheriff.
Sheriff!
No. Alright. They're already dead? Huh?
I found them terrorists though.
Can we go kill them?
Ghillie suit and black guy.
Gilly looks suspicious.
I would just shoot him already. Black guy, come on. Come on.
Me?
Yeah, come on.
Spy him out. How about that? Maybe make sure he doesn't play crap. Can we spy on them while they're...
I don't care what you do.
Spy him with
Oh, you asking me, man?
Guys, I'm going to jail.
We have to go separate ways if you're the terrorist.
I know that, but I'm not a terrorist. Until you ask me the question. I'm still proven guilty, actually.
Are you the terrorist? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
What?
Could you imagine how easy it would be? Just like, say Jaden was the terrorist right now. He could just slaughter all of them.
Yeah. Yeah?
I'm interrogating you.
Okay.
That's how the sheriff wins. The more people you know is on your side.
Come on, go ahead. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there. I'm just kind of watching my back so I don't get shot in the back. Are you the terrorist?
Hey, I say, get Colton. We interrogate him. That's Colton. Like, on the run.
Yeah.
We gotta go get him.
Okay.
What? Colton? No, he ran off. So he's pretty active there. Yeah.
CJ.
Is he a terrorist?
You're being interrogated.
Yes, sir.
How many terrorists are there?
2.
Oh, I already know who they are. Are you the terrorist?
No.
All right. It's CJ or it's Ethan and the all black guy.
Is it Ethan?
Yeah. I'm the sheriff. I'm the sheriff.
He's over there? Hawkins is there?
I heard everything was black guy talking.
Dude, that was nice. Yeah.
It's high noon.
Dude, one shot, bang. Oh, that was awesome. Dude, I didn't think Ethan was. I knew he was, but then I randomly just picked to tell him he was black.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
He was running by me. I went, pop.
Huh? Could have shot me sooner, man.
I thought you were still interrogating.
No.
So I was trying to set myself up, and then he was like, nah.